Good morning, one and all. My name is Dr. B. Srinivaslu, Department of Mechanical Engineer. Today we are going to discuss about the personal management. So here, what is actually the meaning of personal management? So the first basic point here is what is actually the personal management? Means it is here is a defining and obtaining and it means using of a maintaining of a satisfying of your workforce means is a planning organization. So this all comes in. It means is using of a maintaining a satisfied workforce, that is a personal management here. Now coming to see here what is the means definition. So what is actually the personal management? Here just now I said it is a defined means obtaining means here may using and maintaining a satisfied workforce according to their planning organization. It may be compensation or it may be integrations, maintenance of peoples. So this all contribution to the organization individually or group. So these are the personals of a man. Means here we are going to what are the means maintaining a satisfaction of the workforce. Okay, and it is also a primary concern with a human resource of organization. Okay, that is a manpower we can also say. Here it is saying of a, it is also a part which is a primary concern with a human resource of a organization, means manpower of the organization. This is also in a comes in a functions of personal management here. Clear? Now coming to see the elements of personal management here, there are the three types are there. Example, the organization, job, peoples. Just now I said means what is actually the elements here. The organization, if I am speaking about the organization, here the framework of many activities which takes place in a view of goals. Okay, and organization called means physical framework of various interrelated of activities. Means here what is going on here? Means we have known that organization not only for producing of a one product, there are different types of a things are taken. Means different types of a physical framework of a take place here. Interrelated activities can be carried out here. That is the organization that means of it. Okay, and the second if you are speaking about that is a job. Okay, when I am speaking about the job means here, the very important here means the goal of enterprises can be achieved only through the function of a department unit. Means this job can be done by this person. This job means different types of a work are there. Different types of a work are there. Different types of a people are there. Means according to their job, we are segregating that one. That is the reason the which is nothing but a performed in the organization means the goals, what are the goals is there means I want to produce this, I want to produce one mobile phone, I want to produce one machine. So they will be having a some job criteria. Okay, and the people, the very important here organization is there, because that is the without organization we can't get off a job here. Okay, okay, that will be a physics, and the job is a 90% of a organization are there. We require of a physical means that is nothing but a peoples are required here means. Okay, that organization, if I am speaking about one engineering college, so what happened on engineering college, there will be having a job is if a organization, one organization is a engineering college. Engineering college having a department of a CSE, mechanical, EC, there is different. So job. So there will be a job vacancy for that one. And the peoples are required. Without of a peoples, we could not able to run. No. It may be administrative or it may be a department, we can't go into. So that is a very important point here is a people here. Okay, so that is the reason he have given the last and the foremost element is a in a personal management is a people in an organization structure where the main aim is to achieve the goal, whatever it may be. Our is the achieve. If I am going for any industries, the what is our worker is the people is the people means of a worker to achieve the goal as per the requirement of the management here. So this is the organization, job, and the people. Now coming to the personal manager. Personal manager is a itself we are saying that is a head of the personal department. If I am saying of a personal manager, is a itself is we are saying that is a head of the personal department, and he will manage both the managerial as well as the functions of the management here. Means what is going on here? Means here he is going to manage whatever the management is the activities given to them. Okay, he is taking care and he is taking care of the workers. He is taking care of the management. That is the reason he is a personal manager. So whatever the managements are there, work are there. So he performs the managerial as well as the functions of the managements here. Both he is maintaining the both of the this one. That is the you are saying that is the head of the personal management. Now what is the role of this one? We know that the role of a personal manager. So simple thing here is the top management means the personal manager provides assistant is a nothing but a top management means the top management is a required so for one assistant means here one assistance is required here so that the personal manager we are saying okay that is a PA here or sometimes we are the personal assistant also we are saying okay that is the reason whatever maybe the management he can't discuss with everything to the worker so they will be having a some manager there is a top management is the having a providing a people who decide at the frame means all kind of that one. It may be regarding their policies it may be regarding their personals so what are the framework everything can be means the discussion can be done with the management to the personal manager here and he advised the line manager as a staff specialist means here he will also act as a means what happened he is act as a staff advisor also means what happened the management is giving a power to him so what are the okay these are the things so sometimes he will act as a advisor also okay this is because the staff could not able to directly interact with the management so here the personal management manager is also act as a staff advisor to the management even for assistant even if they going to a personal manager is also acting and giving examples or giving explanation to the managers also below that one so he deals with the various of a personal matter that is the reason now coming to next slide is the role of a personal manager here means as a counselor mediator spokesperson the counselor example we are also we are that is a mental meeting we are saying as per that one what happened the counselor means here counselor we are as what are the powers of the counselor they try to solve the problem of the employees means that is the problem of your our students here the counselor we are saying okay the mentor mentee we are saying that is there okay the counselor means the what is the counselor having a that much he is having a power he try to resolve the problem of that student what if an example of a management is there means of an industry is there as a counselor a personal manager attends a problem and a grievance of the employees and guide them and he try to solve them in a best of his capacity whatever is having a power he is to try to solve the issues of their employees in the same way mediator as a mediator what happens there will be a mediator between the management and the worker here is clear that is the reason the counselor, if also we can say the mentor, if I also can say that one, he is also act as a mediator between the HOD and the student. So in this way, the personal manager is also sometimes act as of a link, nothing but a between the mediator between the management and the worker. Next one is a spokesman. So here is a direct contact with the employees here. So here is a direct contact with the employee and he what happened it represents the organization in a committee means appointed by the government here means sometimes what happened is a direct contact with the employees means if you have seen that some inspections are there or whatever there will be a direct contact means they are appointed by the government and they are directly interacting with the contact with the employees whether it's applicable what are the things are there what are the training programs is there everything that will be means one person is appointed as by the government for the directly contact with the employee for the training program he can represent any type of a program if example I have a example here if one person I am at for interaction I have called one person from other place to share his knowledge. That is also is called as a spokes. Okay. Now, personal management of a functions of a personal management are four types. That is a manpower planning, recruitment, employee selection, and training here. The human resource also called as a manpower. These are the four functions of a personal management here. See here, it is also called as a manpower planning. Is also just now I said that is a human resource of a planning here. Means here, what is that meaning of here? Means we are putting of a right person at a right number of peoples at a right place at the right time at the right things we are making of, and we are shooting to the organization to achieve their goals here. Means is also manpower planning. Simple thing is a people. Is nothing but a manpower planning is a human resource of a planning. Means persons. Okay, peoples we can also say. Public also we can say. Okay, the peoples means right time, right kind, and right place and right everything. Right number of people. How much required that one? And the right things. What is where is it suitable? So to achieve the goals of the organization means they are selecting the people, right number of people, how many people are required at right right kind, at what kind they are work can, at what time they can be at the right time if you are scheduling. Means if you want to take a one industry is taking place. Example, one industry is there. If I want to complete this task of a bottle of a blow molding, so what happened here? If I am calling for the injection molding person, whether he can do? No. So blow molding, right person, how many persons are required that one? So to achieve their goal for the which is nothing but which is helpful for the organization. Recruitment. There are two types of a recruitment. One is the internal and the external. If I am saying of internal means already one person is working in a organization only. So for that one, what happened? There is a promotion for that one. That is a promotion. That is a internal. External means from the outside we are calling for the recruitment purpose. That is the external recruitment. See here the internal recruitment is a which take place within the concern or organization. Internal source of recruitment are readily available to an or already is available in the means for the transfer purpose, promotion, re-employment or ex-employees. So here they will be having a internal recruitment can be taken place on the online which is available in the online itself on that is the internal. External means they are calling their recruitment means your campus placement we can say that is a uh, external recruitment. When you are joining of a new company, that is the external recruitment is a source of recruitment have to be solicited from the outside from the organization. How we can go into a recruitment here? Just now we know that one that is the advertisement, employment of agencies, educational institution we can also and the recommendation and the labor of a contractor. There will be some external of the recruitment source are there. You know that one. That is the advertisement we can go with, employment agency we can go, educational institution we can go, recommendation we can go, and labor contract we can go. So they are the different internal and the external. There will be a recruitment or take place of a two process. One is internal, which is already organization itself, which is already is existed in the company organization, and that is the internal recruitment means for promotion for the transfer we are going for that. Example for the external means we are means calling from the outside. We are recruiting from the outside. That is the external recruitment. Now, you know what about the employee selection? Very well about that means here, therefore, depend upon their qualification, depending upon their skills, we are selecting that one. Okay, this field is okay. This Amazon field is good for the degree of a BComs and for the what you call as a uh, for a product automation of a automotive of a companies they require of a mechanical engineers. For electronics we are going for this. So for the IT sectors we are going for the especially for the IT CAC and the IT department. So that is depend upon their qualification and the skills. So that is the employment of a selection take place here. It is a process of putting a right man on the right job. If I am taking of a mechanical here, I am going to doing of a CSE job. So that is the wrong thing. So CSE means computer science candidate should be a go with the computer science of a their field only. So there will be a right person, right man on the right job. That is the one. It is a process of matching the organization requirement with the skills and the qualification. Just now I said skills and the qualification of the peoples. Effective selection can be done only when there is effective matching. There will be effective means when there will be a matching is there. Mean computer says okay, I need of a supporting staff is there. Means what happened here? I want to be a troubleshooting person should be there. So what happened? They will be having a recruitment should be done with the computer science students only. So for the effective selection can be done only when there will be effective of a matching. Means there will be, if I am calling for the other of a department, there will be not there will be some ineffective can be taken place here. By selecting of a best candidate for the required of a job, and the organization will get a quality performance of a employees here. You know what is the employee selection procedures? Preliminary interviews, written test, employment interviews. So here we are going for the preliminary interviews. If I am saying of it, so preliminary of interviews. If I am saying just now we know that one of a who do minimum of a the eligibility criteria who do not meet that one. So we are eliminating that one. Just of a basic things. Example, if I record of a degree candidate, but coming of a student of nothing but from the intermediate, there is a basic elements which is not meet to the our organization. So we are eliminating that one. That is also primary in interview. But when he is a he is a well and his education is good, but he could not open his mouth also. So what happened here? We could not able to explain anything. That is we are eliminating that candidates. So the preliminary of interview, that is a basic thing, means is used to eliminate those candidates who do not meet the minimum eligibility criteria laid down by the organization. Organization having some criteria are there. Okay, from the calling we can call up to the of a degree candidate, or we can call for the intermediate, but we can't recruit the 10th class of a passed candidate. So there are some eligibility according to their organization here. Now coming to the written test, means here the returns test is a basically depend upon their of a aptitude, means their intelligence, what are the reasonings, what are the personalities of a aptitudes. So that is depend upon the when we are conducting of a written test. Okay, we, even for the if you go to any of a companies or any selection, they will be having a written test. Without written test, they can only for the oral they can't go with this one. They will be having a written test. So there will be means they are at the time of written test they are selecting their according to their what are the skills, that is the aptitude is they're putting of a intelligence, reasoning, personalities test. They are keeping in a written test to know the what is the skill of a what is the potential and what are the skill of the people of a candidate of that one. Okay, to which is suitable for the organization. These are the employees of a selection procedure. Now coming to the employment of interview. It is a one to a one interaction. Means there will be a one to one interaction, especially for the completion of your interviews after a preliminary, after written test. There is a personal interviews also. We can say that is the employment interviews. Means here there will be personal interviews. There will be a HR to the directly or the field to the person. That is a one to one interaction between the interview and the potential of a candidate. Means potential who have got selected from the interview preliminary interview and the written test, then we are going for the this one for the employment of interviews. After they are clearing of a two rounds of a three round, they will be having a personal of a interviews of that one. It is used to find whether the candidate is the best suitable for the record, because they are having n number of a groups of a branches are there, n number of a work are there. According to the work, there is they have different types of a managers, sir. Especially for the multinational companies, we are calling the when the candidate is got selected here, we are not making under HR2. After HR, what happened? We are calling that candidate means manager from that group. Means it may be a supporting staff, it may be having a means there is a technical staff, or it may be that the manager is there. We are calling for the if a payment whatever may be. The manager is directly contacting with the one to one to interaction with the candidate, so that he see that okay how much knowledge is there, whether he is suitable, this candidate suitable for his uh, this group or not. Otherwise, he will transfer to the other manager. Clear? This is the employment of a means employee selection procedure can be taken place here. Means after that one we can also say that is a medical examination. We know that they will be having a physical fitness for the regarding the physical fitness. We are going for the medical of examination for the potential means for the skills of the employment. So it will be of a decrease means here the change of employee of a absentees means whatever if a illness is there. What happened if a recruiter is taken place here? Physical fitness is not there. What happened here? Absentee segment means it will means the whatever the company goes in, it will be reduces here. So there will be a medical of examination should be there here. Means for their physical fitness. And appointment letter is a reference check. The simple thing is a appointment letter. All the things of a here have a clear everything. Now they will be having a we are giving a offer letter. Okay, instead of offer letter, we are saying that is a appointment letter here. We are giving some date. Okay, you can join in some and some date. Okay, but that is a candidate selected, and then finally he appoint by giving a formal appointment. After the selection of he has gone through all the selection of a procedure, then we are giving an appointment letter for the process. Okay. Now coming to the training. What happened in the training? We know that when after the selection everything is over, everything is selection procedure over, then we are going the means we have to see that the training procedure means maybe he may be any 90% of a multinational company, he may be experienced or he may not be experienced, but if they recruited employees, if they recruited the employees, what happened here? The training is a must and compulsory. It may be 3 months or it may be a 6 months. It may be experience or it may be unexperienced. But the training is required for because that is the company to company changes can be taken place here. So they will be having a training must should be there. So 90% of our India is a multinational companies. The training is must for the it may be experience or it may be unexperienced here. So training is depend upon their skills, capability, and the knowledge of employees for doing a particular of that job. In the same manner, and the training process more the thinking of the employees and leads the quality performance of employees in a continuous and a never ending in nature. Means here training process can be taken place due to their because what happened if you are changing one field to another field, one company to other company, what happened? They will be having a means they will be interact not only training with their only with their data along with the employee changes also you have seen that one. There will be interaction should be there, okay, and there will be a what are the quality of the performance of a if I recruited one person, so if I giving a training, what is the quality of their employees are to see that one. So what are the country? How much he is having a patience of that one? Okay. Before he is calling, now he is coming to the non-wise. Wise to a non-wise. What are the patience he is there? How much he can withstand? How much he can grab that knowledge here? So that everything comes in a training here. Now what are the benefits of training here? Is it improves the moral of the employees, less supervision, fewer accidents. So here, if I am saying of a improves the model of the employees here is when the means here gets of a which helps the means there will be a job security and the job satisfaction if we are giving a training to them. Means if after they are getting of a training, okay, I am well trained of that one. Okay, I am very trained of this process. So now what happened? I got okay. That is the reason. Simple of a job security and the job satisfaction. Okay, this is a suitable for me because the training is good and I am also well trained. So they will be having a job satisfaction. It comes automatically and the more satisfaction the employee and a greater is in a moral and that will be contributed to the organization success and the lesser will be employees of absolutes and the turnover. So he knows that if a well trained is there, job satisfaction, job security is there, then what happened? Automatically what happened? He will show the what is his work here. And it is a simple thing that is the comes in a way of true of nothing but a here to achieve this goal to and give a good means achieve to the organization here. And the less supervisor means here if you are not giving a if a well trained employee is will be a well accurate with the job and will need of a less of supervision means here already what happened here already we know that one. Already employees is where we are sometimes one company normally companies are used to employ of experience. Sometimes we are calling to the unexperienced here. Fresher we can also say. So that happen if a calling of experience. What happen here? Less weightage of a time and the effect will be taken for time taking of when the giving of a benefit for the already for the experience here. For the instead of going for the fresh year here, okay. And if you are giving a fever of absence means here, if normally training is not taken place of a properly here, sometimes what happen it will totally it will collapse the means what happen the that field also, it may be a job also, it anything else, okay. So there will be a having a proper training should be there. Otherwise, what happen? It will be made of some accidents of it. That is the reason employees lack of a knowledge and skills of required for doing a particular job, and more trained employees is the lesser than the chance of committing of a accident in the job. Okay, in this manner. And another is a chance of promotion. We know that one when the already the fresher is there when compared to the experience. But this fresher is having a good knowledge of a good skill is there, efficiency is there. So what happened immediately there will be a chance of promotion because his skills is very more. So what happened here? There, that is the reason of a getting of after training also. There is a chance of giving a promotion of that one, and even for the increase of productivity. If in the same manner what happened here the training employees of a efficiency and even for the productivity also gets increases here. Both the quality as well as the quantity here. The train just now the well trained of employees show both the quantity and the quality performance here. There is a less wastage of time, money, resources in the employees are property. We know that when if employees are trained of a well, they can easily go with the n number of a productivity with the quality with the quantity here. So there is a no wastage of time here. Okay. Now the employee relation, we see that there will be a having means here. Simple thing is a avoiding and resolving means there will be having employee relation. It will be general deal with the avoiding and the resolving means there will be some issues are taken place here. So what happened? It may be a rise out to a in place of a work scenario. At the time of a work, what happened? Work to time there will be some issues are there. There will be a resolve and avoid that one as soon as possible. And there will be a healthy employee relation lead to be more efficient. It means here healthy employee relations means there will be a good relation between the management, managers, and employees. So what happens? There will be a good relation means it will be a move for more productivity of that firm. Okay, and increase their sales of levels here. In the same manner, what are the here? Employed indisciplined. If a employee is what happened indisciplined, he could not able to do to his skill and due to his behavior, due to his time sense. What happened if he is not punctuality? So that all affects in a employee of a indisciplinary here. In the same manner, if an employee of a grievance means employee also expect from the management to provide some working environment. Okay, that there will be having a means there will be if I am doing of a, instead of 100 I am producing of a 200. There will be a fair treatment. Okay, there will be a promotion. There will be having incentives that depend upon that one. Okay, that is the needs of it. There will be having a some employee also expect from the management to provide them a safe of a working environment, of a fair treatment also we can, a proper incentive we can also do. If a management can fail on this one means what happened to meet this expectation in terms of employee of a grievance it will come here. Okay, then they will having some grievance then we are putting off that one. Okay, this can be taken with. Example, one organization is a of a engineering college, there will be a means here there will be having a grievance when a grievance cell is there. When we are saying okay there is a no complaint means they will be having a good relation with this junior to the senior and the faculty to the management and the student to the faculty. There will be a good relation. If a grievance is the letter is means coming here means there will be means failure can be taken place here. So we have to and employee stress. We have to see that the employee should not be over stresses here. Okay, due to their personal goals and due to their career goals and the performance goals and the self-respect. We have to see that the employment should not fail to this meet their expectations. Okay, in terms of a nothing but we are saying of a employee of a stress here. Simple thing is a now the improving employee of the relation here means here 4 points I have written. Improving of a employee of a relation is a simple thing. We have to treat mean the management have to treat all the employees in a fair manner means same manner. We can also say, okay, that's the first point it is here. And the same manner means here the see that employee should not do the same job regularly. There will be some difference. They have to change their field. Otherwise, what happens? They will be getting a bore and they will do the sometimes mistakes also, and for the interest purpose also. So that is the reason there will be a worker should not do the same job for long time. Okay. See here, the employee has the expectation of a fair and a just treatment by the management, and thus management must treat all the employee as the individual and must treat them in a fair manner. Employee favoritism should be avoided and do not make the employee job monotonous. Means here what happened? I said of a employee should not be do the job for continuous for the same one. So if avoiding that one, it will keep it interesting and make it a more challenging. Okay, this can be done. Okay, now I can change these values and that's depends upon the interest. This can be done by assigning the employees of a great responsibility or individually them in a training of a program and maintain the continuous interaction with the employees. Okay, means keep them of update. Means what happens? There will be a company policies there, and there will be a procedure. There is some decision from the management. There will be means that will be there will be having their interaction with the employees. Otherwise, without of their knowing of their policies, procedure, decisions, suddenly they are made and they should be without of interaction. What happened? Everything is a waste. So maintain a continuous interaction of a management to the employees. So keep them updated about the company's policies, procedures, and decisions here. And the employee must reward it. If an employee is doing a good job, okay, so we have to encourage by giving their incentives, by giving a money or by giving award or by giving a promotions here. So for so that he will do for making to be a booster means to encouraging like that for encouraging that one. The employee must be rewarded and appreciated for all well done jobs for or achieving and over meeting their targets. This will boost them and they will work together as a team. You know that one. Okay, when we are giving encouraging them, then automatically what happen? They will be encouraging with them, they will do the more job, more work they will do. And especially the employer encouraging the employer of a feedback and feedback that we know that from the feedback. Feedback will make the employee aware of the concern of the employees and their views about you as an employer. Means here, okay, the work is individual. If I say so, okay, what happened here? Okay, this person is doing a good, and so this is the time he got a. We are giving a 1,000 rupees for this one for the good job. So that is the feedback we can say. So that is nothing but encouraging. We are saying boosting that one. So the other also that okay, this time I will do. That is the feedback we have to give. This okay, something error is there. Let it resolve this one. So there will be a feedback for the for good and for the any error, so that they will be improving their work and employ competitive of a salary and they should be fairly paid for their talent, skills and competence. We know that one according to their it may be a fresher, it may be experience. If a talent is good, immediately he will get of a compensation, even it may be get of a incentives, he may be get of a what we call as a promotions of it, depend upon their talent and the skills. And see that the employees and the manager should not be they should be a friendly, but they should not be over friendly. Okay, to build a good rapport with the employee. The employee should feel that comfortable with the manager. You know that if an employee is very feel that okay, the manager will if I'm having a very good idea on mind, so if I interact with them, what happen? We will be having a good relation with them. If he is will be a means what happen? Means no, not friendly means he is afraid. So feeling scared can be taken place here, which is a lack of their talent also. Which can they can lose their skills. Here in the same manner, supervising working condition to maintain an effective utilization personally. Working condition means here to refer the working environment means here we are making here whatever the working condition it should be a according to our working environment, and see that the employee should work there according to the terms and condition of the employment here, which covers the means organization of a work, activities, training, skills, employability, health, safety, well-being. Everything can be means that the working condition according to their working environment depend upon the terms and the conditions of the employees. Okay, the various service and the benefits to the worker. We know that there is a health service or a program, physical examination, and it may be a employee service. We know that one there will be a according to the employee service management, associate employee service compass recreations, and the community service recognition program, and that is nothing but a convenience of a service and the travels offering. This all means they will be having some compensation for that one. Okay, employee services means okay, what are the benefit? Okay, this year you have bid of a more than of a means yeah, some hours they have given allotted some hours. He have worked more than that hour, so they are giving that one. So he is having a good. He have achieved something more. He have shown his given a very good idea to the organization. So that also is nothing but a giving to the benefit to the workers here. The types of a personal records of the employees means we have to know what means here the applicant, that is a means applicant of a pressure of a employees. What is the past record and what is the list of source of employees of a progress and the medical reports of your past, whatever they were having their problem, any health issues are there or physically a handicap or whatever maybe, and what are the whether they're having any issues with the outside also. So and wages and the salaries can be a recorded contents of payrolls of a records of a methods of a wage salaries, leave records, turnover records, and other benefit. Means here we have to see that what are the means previous record, what are the payment pay slip. If that comes in all time, or this is for the personal records of the when time of a recruitment, we can also say okay, you have took this much of a leave in this year, and this is that is a sales. What are the incentives you have got? That all can be recorded, can be reported promotions and depend upon the skills. And the training and the development contains appraisals of reports, transfer cases, and training of a schedule, training methods. So training should be taken place according to okay, these are the things. So this is individual of applicant having this much. If you give this much of a training to this much, if you schedule that one, he can achieve the goal because due to their his skills and the health and the safety records of include of a signal means here there will be a health and the safety record because for medical history should be there for a if a may be having a conceive is there means of a especially for the girls means what happened they have to give after the 6 months training if she is a conceive means they have to give a 6 months of a leave for them for the maternity leave. So these are the, all things comes in health issues everything there will be means medical histories insurance and what are the insurance reports everything that can be for the personal records. Okay, and the service records of essential records of a containing of a biodata, what are the family information, what are the background of the where he come from, and what is the education qualification, whether he is married or not married, and what are the past employment record, whether he have worked perfectly or whether he have worked continuously or whether he have absconded, that one that comes in a personal records. And here also it helps the supply of a crucial information to the manager regarding the employees and keep the updated record of a leaves, lockouts and transforms and turnovers of the employees. It helps the manager in a framing of a various of a training and the development of a program on the basis of present scenario. Various of a trainings, development of present of a scenarios here, and even for it helps the government organization to gather the data in respect of a rate of turnover and rate of a absentees and the other of it means if I am what are the if a seeing of a what is the person what how many times you have took the means leave on the monthly wise. So we have that should be means recorded personal record of that one. What is the what the previous is have a salary make of a salary what how much you have to give increment on that one. So that comes in here in the personal records even for the study respect of industry relation we may be goodwill of in form of a market means sometimes we may be having a, some industries experience some maybe teaching experience some in the other field of experience when they join here. That is a depend upon the company. That is also a means extra education qualifications extra work means a certificate he may having, he may be that also count here. Thank you. Have a nice day.